everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be planning the week of April 11th through April 17th. This is how this week looked. Looks like Rainbow Palooza. Absolutely awesome. I love it, love it, love it. Now, to be quite honest, this is not the kit that I was going to pick this week. However, I didn't order the right thing. Like, surprise, surprise, right? So I had a different like journaling kit. It's the May one that I wanted to use for now, and maybe I was just meant to use the one for February because I can't get my act together. But this is the one that I'm using. Not that it's a bad kit. I had a totally different one in mind, and it's like throwing off my vibe. Anyway, so let's start with these date covers. I'm gonna get some tweezers because I could use all the help. I'm just loving the font that is on these kits. I want to say that they're new or they're just different with each one, but I think that these are really, really pretty. I've been really into the journaling kits from Chrissy Ann Designs. So of course I got this in the journaling kit as well, which is what I did with the other kit. I ordered all the journaling kits and then didn't get the kit to actually plan out my week. And I was like, oh my God. I don't know what I was thinking. So guess what I did right before I started filming this video? I went online and placed the order for the right thing. I was like, okay, because I like paying for that extra shipping. Oh my goodness, it's been just a little bit brutal. But anyway, I'm glad that I got it. I should have checked my order when it came in like days ago because I would have caught that I didn't order the right things, and I typically order it when they come out with $2 Tuesday. This color is already growing on me. Like, I was so mad when I sat down to plan. I was like, oh, this is not what I wanted. This is not the vision that I had. And now here I am over myself really quick. Okay, so let's start with the 11th so we can get some of these dates down. I'm also in the middle of editing a video. I'm like, thank God I now have multiple SD cards because things are not going well in that department either. So the entire footage has been downloaded from my SD card. My computer's like, no, it hasn't. I'm like, oh my God. So I was like, let's just grab another one, move on to the next video, and just move on with our lives, because I'm telling you, I have some of the, I don't want to say it's bad luck, but me and technology are like oil and water some days, and we're just not getting along right now. We are not seeing eye to eye. So, oh man. Anyway, yeah, this kit is beautiful. I should have known. I should have known everything was going to be fine. Okay, let's use these strips. Love these because they're a little bit thinner than the giant thick washi strips, although I think they're taking up almost just as much space. These are just absolutely stunning. Perfect. I don't have to cut anything off of that. And I think that I will just take this all the way across over here as well, because I'm going to add some habit trackers to this layout over here. Ah, look at that. It is just so pretty. Okay, so have you guys seen the new focus? This is so gorgeous. Have you guys seen the new layout or the sneak peeks for the EC Life Planners? Oh, I forgot that I have these also. This is so, oh, I love these. Okay. So I saw the sneak peeks like pretty much like everyone else, and I was just like, wow, okay. There's some decisions that need to be made. So I want to use the weekend sticker, and like I said, I have journaling kit things left over, so I may incorporate some of that. Oh, it has a washi strip built in. What am I thinking? Kristen has thought of everything. I saw some sneak peeks. Let's go back to that. I'm highly concerned. Okay. I dropped my sticker. Okay, back to being highly concerned. I'm highly concerned because it looks like, and this is just speculation, that they have gotten rid of the Just My Type design. If you're not familiar, Just My Type was like, it came in two variations, which was all the way neutral or all the way, it was neutral on the inside with colorful tabs. That is nowhere to be seen in the lineup, and it is making someone like myself nervous because I was one of those people that was like, can we please make that happen? And they made it happen. right? And it looks like a year later they are just taking it right back away, which, let's be real, is quite normal for EC. If you have been around a hot minute, then you know when they had lines on the monthly view, they did the same exact thing. Everybody loved them. They had them for 1 year and then they said, never mind. So, yeah, it's been interesting. It's been interesting. I love this box that has the lines and then the floral at the bottom. I kind of want to use it over here. Let's see. Do I want to use it over here? Okay, let's put it back. Let's put it back. I think that I might have a different idea. Anyway, so I forget the name of the theme this year. I can't even remember. It looks like, it reminds me of pieces of tissue paper, just kind of like different colors all layered on top of each other. It is really pretty, I'm not gonna lie. So we'll see, we'll see. I don't know. I know that I'll probably order something, but I'm looking at my stickers like I don't know what to do with you. I know what to do. Let's go. I'm a mess, you guys. All right, so of course the video that you're watching is this plan with me. And then on Wednesday, we are going to do a daily plan with me. And then on Friday, we are going to do a work bag video, like a what's in my work bag, because I've been dying to share that, so that is happening. Okay, so let's put these right about here. Let's see, work bag is going to be for Friday. And then the daily plan with me will be on Wednesday, which I've been loving posting those again. I'm just kind of in a really good place planner-wise. So of course that would happen right at launch time when all of these things are going to come out and it's going to be just craziness. We've got the videos down for the week. Now I have to focus on some appointments and things like that. I'm actually filming this a little bit earlier than normal, so I'm a little like out of sorts as far as like looking at my calendar and not necessarily having all of the information that I need to have for next week, but I'm gonna get there. I know that I have an interview scheduled next week. I just don't know exactly what day yet because we're actually in the middle of deciding that as I speak. But I do know that on Tuesday I have a 10 o'clock meeting, and then I also have a 2 o'clock that day as well. Okay, and then it looks like on Wednesday I have my quarterly review, and that's at 2 o'clock, and that's also a work situation. I feel like I just had my quarterly review, but seeing as how we're in a new quarter, I guess it makes sense that I have another one. So there's that for Wednesday, and then on Thursday I have an 11 o'clock meeting, and then we are closed on Friday, so I'm super excited about that. So a nice extra long weekend there. Okay, work things are done. Awesome. And I think this week I'm actually, do I want to use the list? There are so many beautiful full boxes, so I may not get to using the list stickers. When I order from Chrissy Designs, I do the like get it all option, like it's the last thing on the drop down, and sometimes I end up with extra things. Kind of works out for my daily or to supplement other planners, so I don't get too like bothered if it's not exactly what I need for a specific week. Let's go ahead and put down this Good Morning Sunshine sticker right about here. And the other things I want to put down before I jump into full boxes is payday. So let's grab this sticker right here, and then let's grab some of these smaller boxes. That is on Thursday. And then I want to make sure that I put down my workout dates and mark out the dinner hour. So let me grab my ruler. And we're gonna put that right at the 5 o'clock time. And since I am filming this a little bit early, I don't exactly even have a meal plan, so I've got a few days before I can even fill this in. Normally fill it in like a couple hours after I film anyway, because I'm typically filming on Saturday or Sunday, but I'm filming a little bit earlier this time. So there's that. Let's see. Let's get in the workout days. This week's focus has been a lot of walking. I think I've already been walking like 3 days this week. It's been pretty awesome. So Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I think we're going to do walking. And I won't have any nights to do editing because my goal Well, as of right now, I won't have any nights to do editing, but my goal is to get all of my editing done this weekend so that it doesn't spill over into the following week. I kind of want to set myself up with like a different workflow, simply just to free up my time on the weekends and not spend my weekends working, if that makes sense. So what's kind of neat is on Fridays when I do work from home, I can kind of just spend my lunch hour doing what I want, and today I filmed 2 videos, so there we are. All right, so Friday night we are going to do my Friday Night Live. That's right, I was just looking at my calendar and I was like, there's something else that we're doing on Friday this week, and it is time for my Friday Night Live. So let's see, which Steve do we want to use? The happiest of Steves, of course. Love doing the Friday Night Lives. All right, and I want to make sure that I mark that Friday is a day off. Not sure if this kit actually comes with day off stickers. There's a lot of rescheduled, canceled, not today. Doesn't look like there is a day off. That's fine. I'll just have to write on a piece of a sticker. So let's actually use this tiny flag right here because it's not like it has to be huge or anything. Perfect. Okay. Alrighty, so moving on to Saturday, we're going to do the usual cleaning of the house on Saturday. And did I get any half boxes? I did. They are over here on this sheet. Almost completely missed them because I moved them a little far off to the side. So Saturdays, ooh, I just noticed that the 16th on here was really, really crooked. I cannot continue on until I fix that. All right, there we go. All right, so cleaning time on Saturday. We're just gonna put clean house. All right, and then one of the other things that we really wanna work on is our bulk trash. That is like moving everything down to the garage because the following week is our bulk trash pickup, so we're going to stage everything in the garage. This week we've been kind of working on a list of things that we were going to bring down there. Like we have a love seat that we need to get rid of. We have like a TV stand that we're also going to put out there. Let's actually just put it right in the middle because that would be really cute. And I just wrote bulk trash prep on there. I don't know if you guys have that in your area, but it's really helpful for us to get rid of just large things that we don't need that would otherwise cost money to take somewhere to dispose of. And they offer this to us once a year here. So that's pretty awesome. Alrighty, so let's move on to Sunday. Sunday, per usual, is going to go pick up groceries. And I am going to grab this sticker right here, this square, and just pair it with this shopping cart because that is incredibly cute. All right, and then I think what I wanted to do with this sticker, which is like the list looking one with the flowers at the bottom, is I wanted to use it to list out things for next week. And then I saw that on this sheet, there is actually a next week sticker. So I thought that is just perfect. Absolutely perfect. There we go. I love that so friggin' much. Okay, so that is it for plans for the week so far. I have a feeling that my work situation is going to change a little bit simply because we're losing Friday for a work day, which means we're going to have to shuffle some things around. I just know that that's coming. That's just how it is. All right, I want to put the quote stickers down first because those are so friggin' pretty. But I realized that I used a lot of event labels that are floral. I mean, I realize that this is not that big of a deal, but I'm always kind of thinking of things like this. I do know that I want to put the Good Vibes sticker over here, and at some point I will do something with this sidebar. And so maybe I just won't put the big floral stickers down, to be quite honest. Like, I'm not sure that I need them. Let's move this up right here to the 1:30 time frame. I love these. These quotes with these monthly kits that she has are just so beautiful. I love that one. Never apologize for being yourself. And the other one is even a bad day is only 24 hours. That definitely belonged on Monday. All right, and then the best things in life aren't things. That is going down for Friday. Another sticker that I wanted to use was, there was a family time sticker, and I think I want to put that kind of across Friday and Saturday with like the flower kind of layered on there. And I could probably also use some pieces from the journaling kit, like this one right here. This washi strip is going to be perfect for this. Oh my gosh, absolutely love it. Oh yeah, I love this a lot. Ah, okay. I get excited, I get excited. Okay, I thought there was maybe one more quote sticker, but maybe not. I think that this looks good for this week. Like, look how pretty that is. Oh, and I was not excited about this to start off with. So one other thing I wanted to do is layer or title my sidebar, or put something down for the sidebar. So I think I'm just gonna do to go, or to do. Oh my gosh, I cannot think. Yeah, just to do, because we're already losing some space with the habit trackers there. So I'm just gonna put a to do sticker right about here. I'll have to write that in because there's not a to do label, but that will be just fine. Okay, now we are done. Now we are done. That is so freaking pretty. All right, guys, that is it for this week's Plan With Me. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.